The reshaping strategy is that now creation of a state looks certain. So, will Hindu not have another edition, another state? If you start another edition, in another state, that is also strategy, isn't it?
क्या पोस्ट करेंगे आप?
हाँ?
पोस्ट करेंगे क्या? फोटो एक्शन रहेगा आपका?
अपोज क्यों करेंगे? अब तो जब यूपीए कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी में इसका फैसला हो चुका है, फिर अब तो ये नई रियासत बनना तो यकीनी नजर आता है। और गैर यकीनी उसी वक्त होगा जब कोई ऐसा क्राइसिस पैदा हो जाए कि अगर अब कोई ऐसी सूरत हाल पैदा होती है कि पार्लियामेंट तहलील हो जाए तो बिल पास नहीं होगा, तो वो एक ही सूरत हाल है। और फिर पार्लियामेंट में अगर बिल लाया जाए और उतनी तादाद जो है उस बिल को सपोर्ट ना करे तो वो भी एक सूरत हाल बन सकती है। मतलब अब तो लगता ही है कि नई रियासत तश्कील होने जाती है।
साहब क्या समझते हैं कि यूपी में आप
Of course, we already have units everywhere, and we will have two bodies in the two states.
Sir, your opposition for this perfect vision is about your apprehension on communal too. So how you foresee this, because it's now a reality?
Majid Sahab, what I have earlier said, that in case the state is bifurcated, the only political beneficiary would be BJP. I still stand by it. Because let me expand your question by saying this, that what I foresee is that TRS losing complete political ground because of the talk of merger, and in the process PDP also getting leader. So this political space will definitely be occupied by BJP. So maybe in the interim or in the long term, it is the BJP who is going to gain, but definitely MIM has stood up against the BJP's policy. We will definitely stand against them. We will ensure that secularism gets strengthened more, and definitely the people will defeat them electorally and everything. But we will have to strive for it. We have to work hard.
साहब तेलंगाना रियासत में मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन का मौक़िफ़ और मुस्तहकम होगा, आप क्या
यकीनन मुस्तहकम होगा। मैं शुरू से ही बोल रहा हूँ कि मुस्तहकम होगा, मगर लोग इसको गलत तरीके से समझ रहे थे। हम ये जो हमारा मौक़िफ़ था उसको मैं उसमें नोट पे वाज़ेह किया हूँ। यकीनन मजबूत होगा और यकीन है कि इंशाअल्लाह अच्छा होगा। जी every political party, every newspaper, every TV channel would want to increase its viewership, its newspaper publication, and political parties want to increase its reach. So this is the natural process, which I'm sure it is very similar to you and everyone.
सर आप तेलंगाना की मुखालिफत किए हैं, हम मुस्तकबिल में जब आप तेलंगाना अजला को जाएंगे तो क्या आप समझते हैं कि मुखालिफत का सामना करना पड़ेगा?
अरे मेरे भाई, मैं तो जो मौका पे उसमें सरपंच जीता, मैं कई जगह सरपंच जीता, और मैं तो 2004 में भी नहीं बोला ना 2009 के असेंबली पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन बोला, और कामयाबी मिली मेरे को, अभी भी मिलेंगी मेरे को। You want me to reply for his question? Shall I repeat the question or you understood?
I understand.
You understood the question. As far as the protection of Muslim interests is concerned, we will definitely strive for the protection of Muslim interests, not only in one state but in both the states. we will demand and ensure that the reservation which is being given to Muslims will be continued in both the states. We would demand with the new, with the two governments of the two states will be formed, that the minority budget, an increase which is there, it continues over there. And the third point is that in Telangana state, Urdu should be made as the first official language along with Telugu. And in the other state, we would demand and hope that the second language official status would be continued. And another issue in relation to the people who have made Hyderabad and Telangana as their home, who are unfortunately called as so-called settlers. I would request the government to amend the CRPC and make it an offence to call anyone a settler